Welcome to our Rivmate workshop, and on my right is the co-forming equipment to produce Rivmates. These machines are used for thread tapping process of Rivmates. We use 7x7 blow imported co-forming machines to produce Rivmates. We have 12 sets of 7x7 blow machines in total. Our producing capacity of Rivmate board is 18 million pieces per month. We use tapping machines to produce the threads of Rivmates. We have 20 sets of tapping machines in total, with the producing speed is 40 pieces per minute. Our producing capacity of Rivmate threads is also 18 million pieces per month. This is the operation instruction, and our operation staff will produce Rivmates strictly according to this instruction. Our operation staff will make self-inspection every 2 hours during the thread rolling process of Rivmates.
We are buying from the Rivmate and Motion all the pop rivet and rivet nuts. Their quality is too good and everything is too good. Their quality control is very good and the material is too good. We are very happy to collaborate with them and we like to work more with them. Thank you.
Hello friends, how are you? Rivmate is very quality for the green rivets in the Chinese for all the world.